explorers! Do you like playing outside and enjoying nature? Have you ever wondered how trees grow and why they're so important? Well, get ready for an exciting adventure as we learn all about trees. Today, we're going to discover the magic of growing trees and all the amazing things they do for us. So, put on your thinking caps and let's dive in. First, let's talk about how trees grow. It all starts with a tiny seed. When the seed gets water and sunlight, it starts to sprout. A small root grows down into the soil, and a little stem pushes up toward the sky. As the tree gets bigger, it grows more roots to drink water from the ground. The stem becomes a trunk, and branches start to form. Leaves appear on the branches, and they help the tree make food from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. It's like the tree is cooking its own meals using sunlight as the stove. Now, let's explore why trees are so important. Trees give us clean air to breathe. They take in the air we breathe out, carbon dioxide, and give us fresh oxygen. It's like they're nature's air cleaners. Trees also provide homes for many animals. Birds build nests in their branches. Squirrels hide their acorns in tree trunks. Even tiny insects live on trees. Trees help keep our planet cool. Their leaves provide shade on hot days. They also release water into the air, which helps create clouds and rain. This is part of the water cycle, which is very important for all living things. Trees give us many useful things. We get fruits like apples, oranges, and cherries from trees. Some trees give us nuts, like almonds and walnuts. We use wood from trees to build houses and make paper. Some medicines even come from trees. Now, let's talk about how we can help trees grow. First, we can plant new trees in our yards or parks. Make sure to choose a good spot with plenty of sunlight and space. Dig a hole big enough for the tree's roots. Place the tree in the hole and cover the roots with soil. Pat the soil gently to remove air pockets. Water the tree regularly, especially when it's young. We can also take care of the trees we already have. Don't break branches or carve into tree trunks. This can hurt the tree and make it sick. If you see a tree that looks dry, ask an adult to help you water it. We can also pick up litter around trees to keep their homes clean. Trees face many challenges as they grow. Sometimes, strong winds or storms can damage trees. Insects or diseases can make trees sick. People cutting down forests for land is also a big problem. That's why it's so important for us to plant new trees and take care of the ones we have. Did you know that some trees can live for hundreds or even thousands of years? The oldest known tree is over 5,000 years old. Imagine all the things that tree has seen in its long life. Trees are like the lungs of our planet. They help the earth breathe and stay healthy. The more trees we have, the better our world will be. So let's all do our part to help trees grow and thrive. Wow, we've learned so much about trees today. We discovered how they grow from tiny seeds into tall, strong plants. We explored all the wonderful things trees do for us and our planet. And we learned how we can help trees grow and stay healthy. Remember, every time you see a tree, think about all the good it's doing for our world. Why not try planting a tree of your own? Or help take care of the trees in your neighborhood? Let's all be tree heroes and make our planet a greener, happier place. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite kind of tree? Thanks for joining us on this tree-rific adventure. See you next time, little explorers.